Hey guys, Martian Cubing here, and today I'll be giving you some tips and tricks for one looking on 2x2. Before we get started, only about 25% of you are subscribed, so if you do find these tips helpful, a subscribe would really mean a lot, and it's free. So without further ado, let's just get right into the first tip. First tip I have for you guys is to not worry about inspection when you start out. When you start out, it's more important to actually fully one look a solve rather than to do it in inspection time. And as you get faster, you'll be able to do it in inspection time. So my second tip for you guys is to only track 3 pieces. You do not need to track all 4 pieces to figure out what your case is. So for this case, it's just a simple 3-move insert, and I can tell that this piece will not be moved since R prime will stay here. This piece will go over here on top, so we'll have a bar here, and then these orange, so we'll have a bar on the right. And then I can tell that this piece will end up with the yellow on this here, and then red on top. So with that, I can tell that we'll have a bar on here and a bar up here, and then I can just go right into my one looking. Okay, my third tip for you guys is to break it down into 2 steps. So this is really helpful for beginners because it helps you just do it one at a time, and it's a little more simple. So the first step is to just figure out what your OLL is, and then from that you can figure out what your case is. So for this, I'll notice that this piece stays here, this piece will go over here, and this piece will end up here. So for that, I can tell it's a bar here and then opposite headlights here. And then from that, I can figure out what my actual case is. So I know that red will be on the front here, this will be green, and then we'll have red up here. So in that case, I can tell it's the skip case on a normal CLL, which means that if we were to do a normal ALG, we would get a top layer skip. So from that, I can just go ahead and go into my EG algorithm. So my fourth tip for you guys is to just have patience with anything. It's going to take time to learn one looking, and you just need to continue doing solves, continue practicing how to one look, and you'll get it eventually, but it'll take time, and it'll take time and dedication. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you're still watching this video, you're 1 in 30%, so thank you for watching this far, and I'll see you guys in the next video.